A lot of auto-tune, like the Wild West in the old days.
I've been waiting for you for a long, long time.
Hello, today I am taking you to a cruise ship in Hafnarfjörður, Iceland. I'm going to tune 2 grand pianos on this ship, one Kawai and one Steinway. But in this video, I focus on the Kawai piano and show you challenges of tuning on the cruise ships. Here I am on board to tune the Kawai grand piano. As you can see, it is well secured because of the rough sea. One of the challenges of tuning on a cruise ship is that it can be very noisy, as you can see in this video. Kawai grand. Follow me to find out how it was. And if you enjoy the video, please like it and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. I'm checking how the piano sounds before I start tuning. It's very out of tune, like the Wild West. Little coffee before I start. Little check how the strings are sounding. If it's possible to meet the pianist, that's great, so they can share any issues they have with the piano.
I'm the pianist on board.
Are you the pianist?
Yeah.
Oh, it was a lot out of tune. Like
yeah, that was terrible.
Ah.
Yeah. I've been playing in Arctic,
Yeah.
Svalbard,
Yeah.
on this piano for 2 months, like that. Yeah. Because our guests were complaining about the piano being out of tune. That was so...
And the temperature has been up and down. And humidity also.
It's a big job.
So I can imagine. It's not good for your ears.
No, I've been suffering too much every time I play.
But the piano upstairs, the stand is better.
It's Steinway. It's a little bit better because it's more closed.
More open here.
Here, yeah, I imagine it's like we're going to fjord towards some glaciers, and it's really, really cold, and you're opening the door, and cold air gets in.
No, that's not the best position for the piano to be here.
It's not good, no good. And they have actually acoustic piano in the Arctic, because it would be more sensible to have like electric piano.
It's good to have one electric piano, if you can, then you can use it if this is out of tune.
But in this ship goes to Antarctica. Arctica, very remote, like cold, lots of ice, and it's cross conditioners here inside everywhere, and the temperature is just like that.
That's the piano is the worst you can have for every piano, is the temperature going up and down.
Yeah, it's like sliding down every 2 weeks.
It goes like that. Like here. There is a lot under 440 hertz, you know, the A. And I'm tuning it in 440.
440
Yeah, so you can play with all instruments.
Like standard.
Yeah, that's standard. Do you play all kinds of music?
They hired me to play classical concert. Classical, not on the Steinway in the theater. But I play everything.
I do my best so you can play. Nice tonight. Are you from France or somewhere else?
No, I'm from...
Okay.
I cannot speak French. Just...
The piano players, they are all around the world who are playing on these cruise ships. I met from everywhere. I hope it will be better tonight.
Thank you very much, because
Maybe after
I've been waiting for you for a long, long time.
I have to have this condition of this pianos nice and good for the passenger. They are selling them to the ship, but they cannot have the piano out of order, out of tune.
They had.
Yeah.
They had no choice but enjoy my playing.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your job.
Okay, bye.
Just a savior.
Bye-bye. Generally, it's very noisy to tune in the cruiser ships. Drilling something here around me. Typical when you are tuning in the cruise ships. That's always very noisy. You can hear how low it is. The wave. So I have to higher the bit. It's amazing how people have no clue how noise can affect piano tuning.
Ken, police station.
You together because I don't know it. Yeah. Your baby now, 1 week. Saan niya malang dago nga niya? Kaya lang yan kaysa dun sa isa. Carlo. Sineset up din to pagka bago nakasuot. Dito yan. Okay na, yun lang ang nangyari yan. Tsaka yung tawag importante sa reception. Ito yung oh.
I know that I'm a patient man, but they were almost breaking my limit.
Go with Carlo.
Carlo.
Carlo is Carlo.
Kung magka-emerasyon, pagkahay kayo. Sama kayo. Tawagin ka na yan. Basta sumama ka lang sa kanya.
We have to still waiting for the loading. Parka.
Yeah.
Parka,
Master, you take care of this ha. May paisano.
Yeah, yeah.
Yan mo muna pre. Tapos yung wash cloth mamaya, mga 30 minutes, buhayin mo sa Pro Laundry. I-refill mo na dito. Mamaya pagdating ng pasyero, buksan mo na yung bed up. Yung lalaki at babae dito, tsaka yung sa depo. Alam mo na yung pagbukas nun, tinawag ko sa'yo. Master!
Okay.
Sige sarap.
Yeah.
Teach him.
He put them in the electric one.
I am checking how the hammers are fitting under the strings. Just checking the tuning pins. I don't know how they have been tuning this, but a lot of them are damaged, the tuning pins here. The hammer is not fitting well. Some of the tuning pins are not in good condition because someone has been tuning with a wrong tuning hammer and damaging some of the tuning pins. Too small or too big. As you can hear, the grand piano is sounding much better after the tuning. So this piano is finished. I'm going to Icelandic grand after this one, next floor up here. But this is a lala, it was very low, the pitch was very low. Usually I like to tune it 2 times if it's so low pitched like it was in this one. So the tuning will hold better. But I don't know how it will be, but it sounds okay now. It was terrible when I started. Kawai GX-2 is the name of this one. Go to next piano. This is how it is when I'm tuning in cruise ship. Thank you for watching and please subscribe if you haven't.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the bridge. Due to fuel bunkering, it is strictly forbidden to smoke on board until further notice. Thank you for your understanding.